This question is to solve a homogeneous system of linear equations with 4 variables. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. Solve the following homogeneous system of equations. Equation 1. 2 times x1 plus 3 times x2 plus x3 plus x4 equals 0. Equation 2x1 plus 2 times x2 plus 4 times x3 minus x4 equals 0. Equation 3. 3 times x1 plus 5 times x2 plus 5 times x3 plus 2 times x4 equals 0. Which of the following describes the general solution? There are 4 options. First step, we write the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix is row 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Row 2, 1, 2, 4, negative 1. Row 3, 3, 5, 5, 2. Next step is row reduction. Swap the first row and the second row to make a leading one. Now the matrix is row 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1. Row 2, 2, 3, 1, 1. Row 3, 3, 5, 5, 2. Next, eliminate below the pivot. Row 2 becomes row 2 minus 2 times row 1. Row 3 becomes row 3 minus 3 times row 1. This gives row 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1. Row 2, 0, negative 1, negative 7, 3. Row 3, 0, negative 1, negative 7, 5. Now subtract row 2 from row 3. We get row 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1. Row 2, 0, negative 1, negative 7, 3. Row 3, 0, 0, 0, 2. Finally, divide the third row by 2. The final form is row 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1. Row 2, 0, negative 1, negative 7, 3. Row 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next step is back substitution. From row 3 we obtain that x4 equals 0. From row 2 we obtain negative x2 minus 7 times x3 equals 0, which means x2 equals negative 7 times x3. From row 1 we obtain x1 plus 2 times x2 plus 4 times x3 equals 0. Substituting x1 plus 2 times negative 7 times x3 plus 4 times x3 equals 0. That simplifies to x1 minus 10 times x3 equals 0, so x1 equals 10 times x3. Therefore the solution set is x1 equals 10t, x2 equals negative 7t, x3 equals t, x4 equals 0. Next step is to interpret. The solution space is one-dimensional. The basis vector is 10, negative 7, 1, 0. Final answer. The general solution is x equals t times the vector 10, negative 7, 1, 0, where t is any real number. The correct choice is option A. Always count the number of free variables to know the dimension of the solution space. That way, you won't mistakenly think there are 2 basis vectors when there is really only 1. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.